Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. Let's analyze this stock Apollo Tires. First of all, let's analyze what we discussed yesterday. We discussed that if the stock will start trading above 236 or any 15-minute candle if closes above 236 237, then we will consider buying this stock for the target of 242 or 240 rupees. Okay, what exactly happened today? The stock made a gap up opening. It took resistance of 0.382 level, okay, 0.382 level of Fibonacci, and that it started to fell down. It took support of this dynamic trend lines, these trend line and this trend line, and it even tried to bounce back. As soon as it was trading around 237, I even informed in my YouTube channel the stock is trading above 236 237, so you should consider buying this stock. But in the very next 15 minutes the stock fell down and made a bearish piercing kind of a pattern. After that the stock even ended up activated on the sell side. Okay, this was our another view that if the stock will go below 232 233, then we will consider selling this stock for the target of 229 28 or 27. Okay, this was our target. But what happened, the stock went down and it made a low of 229.05. Okay, and it even retraced back till 232. Okay, so what can be our analysis for tomorrow, or what we should do tomorrow for this stock? Let's see. See, this is the swing low, this is the swing high for Apollo Tires. Okay, and the stock is actually trading between 0.236 and 0.382 levels. Okay, so now what you can actually assume is that 238 is some sort of a resistance for this stock. Okay, and here what are the support zone? If you look it closely, then you will find that there is only one support left of 223. Why? Because this was our previous support, this was our previous support, and now what if we will shift this support and consider this as our support, and if the stock tomorrow breaks this and comes down, then only we will consider selling this stock. So this will be our trade plan for tomorrow. If the stock goes and crosses this 238 rupees mark, then only we will consider buying for 242.35. and if the stock takes resistance at this level, and starts to form red bearish candles, then only we will consider selling the stock for the target of 232. Remember, opening is very important. If opening is gap up sort of an opening and the stock fails to cross this trend line, then we will consider selling the stock. And if the stock manages to cross this trend line and sustains above 238 239, then only we will consider buying the stock for the target of 242.35. so this will be our trading level for this stock Apollo Tires. Are you getting my point? Below this we will sell for the target of this, above this we will buy for the target of this, and in between this, if the stock takes resistance here and starts to form bearish candles, then only we will sell for the target of this. Okay, so this is my short analysis for Apollo Tires. I hope you will like this. Thank you for watching.